It's February 28th all day, and these historical events occurred on February 28th, this date in history. In 1784, John Wesley charters the Methodist Church. In 1849, the first boatload of gold rush prospectors arrives in San Francisco from the East Coast, and now they're returning back to the East Coast. In 1854, the Republican Party formally organizes in Ripon, Wisconsin as the Abolitionist Party, seeking to abolish slavery. In 1909, the first National Women's Day is observed in the United States, organized by the Socialist Party of America in honor of the 1908 garment workers' strike in New York, where the women were protesting against working conditions and offered socialism as an answer. In 1933, the first female in U.S. cabinet, Frances Perkins, is appointed the Secretary of Labor. All this is happening before March the 1st, which is the start of Women's History Month. You guys just couldn't wait, could you? In 1983, the final TV episode of MASH, a 2-hour special directed by series star Alan Alda titled Goodbye, Farewell, and Amen, airs on CBS with a record 125 million watching in the U.S. I remember that happening, and I watched it live. In 1993, a gun battle erupts near Waco, Texas at the Branch Davidian compound after the FBI attempts a raid. Speaking of the FBI, in 2023, the FBI Director Christopher Rave confirms that the Bureau believes COVID-19 pandemic actually originated from a lab accident in Wuhan, China. I'm shocked. Really? No. Who told you to say that? Even if you're in the FBI, when it comes to a battle of wits, you'll have the victory when you subscribe to my channel for this date in history. Like, share, subscribe, plus check out the comments below for even more February 28th history.